All right, here we go. Friday morning, out for a walk. It's a little brisk. We're ready to go nonetheless. It's been a crazy week. Big turnaround in the stock market yesterday. We were trading higher, changed course late afternoon, sold off hard in the Dow. Why? President Biden, or at least rumors come out, President Biden wants to raise the capital gains tax rate to nearly 40% for those earning $1 million or more. That's a big move. Now, that said, very unlikely that would pass. Did spook the market. Trading a bit higher heading into the open today. Bit of a relief rally from that sell-off yesterday. It's been a crazy week in FX too. A lot of central bank meetings. European Central Bank this week, Bank of Canada this week, Bank of Japan. Traders looking to see if these bankers are gonna raise rates anytime soon. Cut back on bond purchases. Didn't hear a lot of that talk. A lot of people still looking to continue with easy money policy. We've got the Fed up next week here in the US. We'll see what they have to say and if they fall in line with some of these other bankers. That said, it was another week where we've seen weakness in the dollar, strength in the euro, strength in the pound. Looks like that continues. All right, folks, it's Friday, last day of the week. Let's go get some more earnings coming out today. Let's get in there, trade a little bit of price action, go into the weekend feeling good. Have a great weekend, stay safe, and then we'll get back after it again on Monday. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.